Don't Call Me Angel CD. It's just an unwrapper really, it's not a full unboxing or anything. Let's just open this up. So it says, oh, it's not Don't Call Me Angel. I forgot, it's been so long, I've actually forgotten how much, like what I ordered. It's not Don't Call Me Angel, it's Boyfriend, as you can see. There's the front. It's a nice thing to open this with. How do I get this open? By the way, I'm planning to do another video on this laptop from the laptop series, free laptop series. I'm just going to try and get this open, one sec. Alright, I finally managed to get it off. It literally took so long. And the case cracked. I was trying to get it out. It was just terrible. Anyway, look at this thing. Won't even open. So, there it is, Boyfriend. So, I suppose we should play this now. So, let me go and turn on my stereo. I should just be able to turn this down first. And then just turn it up as it goes. Right, here we go. Yes, right, I'm not able to play for too long. Because obviously copyright. Let's see. Oh, it's the same thing on both tracks, look. Wait, is that different? Nah. So that's what it is. It's pretty good. It's nice to have to my collection. And see, thanks for watching and see you later.